Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the text color in DaVinci Resolve. But before we change the text color, guys, we need to go ahead and add some colors. So to be able to add the text color here in DaVinci, you want to go ahead and go to the effects section on the upper left hand side. So you want to click on effects here, and you'll have the toolbox. You want to perhaps expand it in case it's collapsed, and click on titles. Now from here, we'll just simply use the text. So I'm going to simply click on it and drag it onto my timeline. Now, as you can see, the text is there, but it's white. So the best thing to do is just to click on the text on the timeline, and you want to go to inspector on the upper right hand side. So click on inspector, and here you'll be able to find the text. We're going to write something. Let's go ahead and type, for example, geek, right? And you will see slightly below that you have the color. You also have the font family and the font face. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm going to just choose something as an example. Let's say I will choose this text here. Now to change the color, click on color, and you'll have all of these different colors here. You can click on each one of these in case you want to choose something from here, or you can simply go ahead and use these different colors as you can see here. So let's say I want to use maybe this color, and select that, right? Click on OK from here, and you have it, right? In case it's smaller, you can always make it larger by playing with the size as well. And that's it. Move it around wherever you want, guys. That's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. That's how to go ahead and change color of your text in DaVinci Resolve.